Progress check number 3. Hi, I'm Fatma. In my country, there are 4 seasons: winter, spring, summer, and autumn. Each season is 3 months long. It is usually wet and windy in winter, but there are some sunny days. Spring is my favorite season. The weather is warmer than in winter. It sometimes rains in April, but May is warm. The gardens and parks look beautiful with green trees and colorful flowers. Birds sing and animals look for food after a cold winter. Summer starts in June and the weather becomes very hot. Schools are closed and children are on holidays. Then comes autumn. The weather gets cooler and children get ready to go back to school. Comprehension questions. Tick the correct option. The text is about the 4 seasons. Yes, it's true. So I tick this sentence. The text is about the gardens and in spring. No, it isn't true. It doesn't match with the text, so I do not tick this sentence. The text is about Fatma's favorite season. No, it isn't true because this sentence doesn't match with the text. So the text is about the 4 seasons. Exercise number 2, read and complete. Here we have a table of 2 columns. In column 1, we are going to write the names of the seasons, and in column number 2, we are going to write what's the weather like during these seasons. Let's begin with season number 1, which is winter in the text, of course. Yes. What's the weather like in winter? It is wet. Yes, sorry. It is wet and windy, but sometimes sunny. Yeah. Then, following season, it is spring. It is spring, yeah. What's the weather like in spring? It is warm. Yes, warm and sometimes rainy. And sometimes rainy. Season number 3, it is summer. What's the weather like in summer? It is very hot. Great. And the last season is autumn. Autumn. What's the weather like in autumn? It is cool. No, sorry. O-L. Yes, it is cool. Great job. So what's the weather like in winter? It is wet and windy and but sometimes sunny. What's the weather like in spring? It is warm and sometimes rainy. What's the weather like in summer? It is very hot. And what's the weather like in autumn? It is cool. Exercise number 3. Write true or false. It is always rainy in winter. Of course, according to the text. بالاستناد إلى النص. It is always rainy in winter. Is it true or false? Of course, it is false. Then, in autumn, children are on holidays. No, it is false too. The best season for Fatma is spring. The best season, Fatma, is spring. Yes, it's true. It's true, anyway. It's true. So, it is always rainy in winter, false. In autumn, children are on holidays, false. The best season for Fatma is spring, true. Language. Language. In progress check number 3. Language part. Exercise number 1. Complete with the appropriate words from the box. there are two extra words. Here is the box. The words of the box are warm, cold, singing, dancing, brown, cloudy, and hot. And we are going to fill in these blanks using the words from this box. Note well that there are two extra words. هناك كلمتان إضافيتان لا نحتاجهما في تعمير هذه الفقرة. So there are four seasons in a year. Winter is very cold. So the word is cold. Yeah. Cold. The sky is gray and so cloudy. I write cloudy here in blank number 2. Cloudy. It is or it sometimes snows. The grass is brown. The grass is brown. Yeah, the grass is brown and there are no flowers. In March, the weather changes. It becomes warm. It becomes, yeah, let us write warm here. Warm. The flowers grow, the trees and the grass get greener. The birds fly high in the sky. The last word is singing. So I write singing here. Yeah. Singing. Great job, singing beautiful songs. So I repeat the whole paragraph now. After I fill in the blanks, there are 4 seasons in a year. Winter is very cold. The sky is gray and cloudy. It sometimes snows. The grass is brown and there are no flowers. In March, the weather changes. It becomes warm. The flowers grow. The trees and the grass get greener. The birds fly high in the sky, singing beautiful songs. Exercise number 2. Put the verbs in parentheses in the simple present or present continuous or future. Put the verbs in parentheses in the simple present, present continuous or future. So, look at the children. They are in the classroom. They are, so here I put the verb in the present continuous. Yeah. Because now, at the moment of speaking, they are studying. So, they are studying. They are studying. Great. They are studying. Yes, in the present progressive or present continuous. Now look, at this moment they are studying. Next week they will be. Here we have a time phrase or time expression. لدينا قرينة زمنية تدل على الفعل في المستقبل. Next week اللي هي next week هذه القرينة الزمنية هي تسمى time phrase or time expression. So will be on holidays. They stay here. They, verb to stay. They will stay, of course. They will stay at home, watch TV and play computer games. They love holidays. Exercise number 3. Circle the correct option. Here we have a multiple choice exercise. تمرين الاختيار المتعدد. So we are given a series of words. عندنا مجموعة من الكلمات. We are going to circle the appropriate word according to the context or to the meaning of the sentence. سنحيط الكلمة المناسبة. So it's mid-September. It's mid-September. What's the season? So it's mid-September. It's autumn. So I circle autumn. It's autumn. This is the time of the year or the week or the day when children go back to school. Of course, it is the time of the year. I circle year.